After putting this in my coffee and putting it to the ultimate taste test, I'm here with the results. Stay tuned to find out how it tastes. This is Owl and Ox's Collagen and Biotin Daily Coffee Creamer Supplement. So you just put in a heaping tablespoon into your coffee, smoothies, whatever liquid drink. I'm putting mine into my hot coffee because I drink hot coffee without a doubt every single day. Pour that in, add in my normal creamer on top that I do. Mix that in real well, and then you're going to get your collagen and biotin supplements in your daily coffee smoothie drink right there, and be sure to refrigerate. The idea behind these Owl and Ox coffee creamers is pretty simple. It's got ingredients in it that are actually good for you. No sugar, y'all, no sugar. Woohoo, love that. No soy, no gluten, no dairy. So to all my dairy-free people out there, this is okay for you. And no artificial sweeteners or flavors. We love that. We love that. Thank you to a brand that finally understands that we are tired of the artificial sweeteners, artificial flavors, artificial everything. We do have some really great added benefits, which are the collagen and the biotin. You're going to be getting 3,333% of your daily biotin needs. I drink hot coffee every single morning without a doubt. Add this in, it's as simple as that. I'm already reaching into my refrigerator for my favorite creamer that I use every day. I pull that out. This, I'll just set right next to it in my refrigerator, whip it out, put both of them in, and voila, I got my coffee. Couldn't get any easier, right? So that's what I really like about this is I'm getting my daily supplements for my biotin and collagen. I'm not having to pop another pill, another supplement, because we all know it's super hard to do that and keep up with that. For me personally, it is at least, but I'm already drinking my coffee. Just put a little bit of this in and you're good to go. The flavor is salted caramel. This tasted like actual collagen powder supplement. Probably wouldn't drink it again. Collagen, typically in the powder form, it doesn't do well for me. It kind of clumps up at the top whenever I try to mix it in, even in hot coffee. This mixed in smooth, it's kind of a syrup consistency. This is already in the coffee that I was going to drink anyways, so it makes a super simple choice for me every day to better myself, better my skin, better my hair, better my nails. It's 30 servings, so about a month. So I drink coffee every day. I'll go through this in about a month, reorder, put on subscriptions. You don't forget, especially if you have ADHD like me and you forget, and it's just easier in life to stay organized, have things on auto order, auto ship. So would I buy this again? Yes, 100%. Taste, pass the taste test for me. Get salted caramel. This is by Owl and Ox. It's for hair, skin, and nails, and it is naturally flavored. It is a supplement that you're not having to take it orally through a pill or the dreaded powder collagen, which I do not really like. If you drink coffee every morning like me, this is a super easy way that's basically frictionless for you to get in your supplements of biotin and collagen. And if you didn't already know what biotin and collagen benefits are, go look those up. They do take a few weeks to start seeing results. Based upon clinical studies, that's what they say is after incorporating biotin and collagen into your daily routine, it will take a few weeks, could take up to 6 to 8 weeks to start seeing results in the benefits of your skin, hair, and nails. So you definitely want to stay consistent. And the way they design this product and the taste, the quality, and it's made in USA, and overall just everything about it, it's going to be super simple to keep up with and keep consistent on a daily basis. So you will be able to see those results.